The Small Bedside Pendant Light, with its travertine bar, is a remarkable choice for anyone seeking to elevate their home environment. It acts not only as a source of light but also as a statement piece that reflects both artistic taste and practical utility. Whether you are looking to enhance your own space or searching for a unique gift, this lamp embodies a perfect fusion of form and function. When hung at the right height, it can serve as a striking focal point, drawing attention without overwhelming the space. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible for those who may not have extensive DIY experience. The thoughtful design allows for easy pairing with different types of bulbs, enabling users to customize brightness levels to suit their preferences. Additionally, the lamp's easy maintenance ensures that its aesthetic appeal lasts for years, requiring only occasional dusting.